Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, June 21st. Again, I'm going to read from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and then we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it. Today's essay is titled The Air After Pain. Live for the air after pain, and there will be no reason to run. Live for the air after pain, and there will be no reason to run. Hippocrates said that pleasure is the absence of pain. Anyone who has ever suffered knows this as a deep truth. When I fell into the gauntlet of tests that awaited after the pronouncement that I had cancer, I was terrified of being in pain. I introduced myself to every physician and nurse as Mark put me out Nepo. But with every procedure, there was some medical reason why I had to be awake. And I came to realize that there was nowhere to run. Once I accepted this, which took some time, I understood that what was most terrifying about my pain was the prospect that it would never end, that life would somehow freeze in whatever moment of discomfort I came upon. The terror gained its power from not being able to imagine life beyond the pain. The breakthrough moment for me came the day I had to have yet another bone marrow sampling. For some reason, these were the worst for me. But with the appearance of some deeper grace that day, I suddenly saw it differently. I recognized that this very uncomfortable, painful procedure lasted at most 40 to 50 seconds, and I was arranging my entire life and being in anticipation and avoidance of those 50 seconds. For the first time, I realized I had a choice. The pain of those seconds would be the same, but I could ground myself, including my fear, in the very real fact that my life would resume after those 50 seconds. There would be light in the air once again after the pain. For the first time, I felt in my soul that I was actually larger than my pain. This empowered me. So many times, in our despair, we see our pain as something that will never end. In fact, this often defines our moments of despair, when we believe that our pain contains the rest of us. In contrast, there is a sense of peace to work toward the belief that our life is what contains our pain. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keep your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remember, there is nothing you need to fix about your breathing right now, just like there is nothing you need to fix about yourself. Your breath is enough. You are enough. This moment is enough. See if this gives you a sense of spaciousness in your whole being, a sense of freedom, and allow all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a few moments to focus on a physical or emotional pain that is with you. Where do you feel it? How does it manifest? What emotions and thoughts are being evoked as you connect with this pain? And now, as you inhale, bring in all that is larger than your pain, whatever that is for you. And as you exhale, release the pain into the larger air that is pain-free. Inhaling, bring in all that is larger than your pain. Exhale, release the pain into the larger air that is pain-free. Repeat this a few times, focusing on the moments that are pain-free, and invite them to expand within you. How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember there is air after pain. May I remind myself that this too shall pass. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. As someone with chronic migraines, I can certainly attest to the fact that sometimes it does feel like the pain will never end, but it always does. And yes, the air after the pain feels especially refreshing and nurturing. And I sincerely hope that you can also discover that special kind of air quality that only affirms life more. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.